gather round. Oh, very good, very good. Hello, everyone. My name's Bridget. I'm one of the Royal Majesty Makers right over in... Oh, dear. Look at the time. Well, I better get right to it then. It is hereby decreed that all are welcome in this happy place, where the young and young at heart can explore, laugh, and play together. Here, where magic awaits you round every corner, bursting with the joy and inspiration to make your dreams come true. And now, to officially welcome you today is the one and only Mickey Mouse!
It sure is great to see so many good friends. So, are you excited to be here today? Well, I thought so. Oh, hey pal, thanks for getting things started. And now that we're all together, I've got a surprise for you. You see, when folks from around the kingdom heard you were going to be here, well, they just had to come and give you a great, big welcome! Everybody's here. I think it's time to start the day. And that means it's time for just a little bit of magic.
Is someone in need of magic?
Oh gosh, it's the fairy godmother.
Must have heard you, Mickey.
Why, hello everyone. Oh my, look at all of you. So many smiling faces, including yours. Now, how may I be of assistance?
Well, do you think you can help kick off our magical day?
Oh, of course, my dear. Oh, and I know just the trick, but I'll need everyone's help with the magic words. On the count of 3, we're all going to say, bibbidi, bobbidi, boo. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, bibbidi, bobbidi, boo.
Let the magic begin! Well, what are we waiting for? Let's get going. See you real soon.
For your safety and the safety of those around you, please walk slowly and carefully to your first destination.